a winter wonderland of frozen fun. A snow-blanketed Irving on January 9th and 10th. Children flocked to city parks to throw snowballs and take photos with Frosty. At the same time, city employees from departments across the organization stepped up to serve residents. Before the storm rolled in, department leaders finalized preparations. Fleet Services made sure city vehicles were equipped to handle slick roads. As a wintry mix began to fall, street crews continued to sand major roadways, bridges, and overpasses. With the roads still passable, Solid Waste Services was able to maintain trash collection as usual on Thursday. Irving's police and fire departments both quickly responded to calls across the city, keeping residents safe. Water utilities crews worked around the clock, dealing with emergencies like water main breaks. Throughout the organization, city employees worked tirelessly to keep Irving operating and residents safe and informed so they could enjoy these incredible snowy scenes.